A self-limiting belief is a belief we have which underestimates our true ability and prevents us from reaching our true potential. Each one of us has a true limit to our abilities, and then we have a belief surrounding what that limit might be. Now, unless you have hit your limits in a particular way, you really have no idea what your limit actually is. Self-limiting beliefs affect our behaviour. After all, you're unlikely to try something if you honestly believe it's going to fail. Success requires a certain amount of faith in a favourable outcome. Our perception of the world happens through a lens coloured by our beliefs. Because we have preconceived notions and life experiences determining our beliefs, we don't see the world as it really is. So, what do self-limiting beliefs look like? Well, they often come in the following forms. I don't dance. This is an example of us defining ourselves around limits. I can't do mathematics. This is a belief about our abilities. I mustn't disagree with authorities. This is an example of us limiting our values and norms. I am not an artist. This is an example of us defining ourselves according to our roles. And finally, other people will laugh at me. This is a limiting belief about others and what they'll do. Self-limiting beliefs can come from a number of places, but mainly we attribute them to life experiences, to our teachers, mentors and education systems. They can also be born out of faulty logic and a sense of fear. Like all beliefs, self-limiting beliefs can be changed, and that's what we'll be looking at in the next lecture.